The whole cotton industry depends on a small green plant, the cotton bush. When the fruit or cotton ball is ripe, these white fibers burst out, dry and fluffy. It is these which will be spun into cotton threads and woven into cloth, providing work for thousands of people. This is the cotton mill where Dinesh works. Bales of raw cotton arrive here from all over the country. The average Indian buys 14 meters of cloth every year. And 900 million people live here. Most of the fabric they wear is produced in India itself. Dinesh's aunt Amti works here in the winding department. Her working conditions are very good.
If you work in the mill, you get about 2,500 rupees a month, which provides for all our household goods and our poor children's education. Whereas if you work outside, you only make less than a quarter of that, which is nowhere near enough.
Wages here are relatively high because the trades unions have fought hard for the workers' rights. They've also made it difficult for the mill owners to lay off workers even if there is nothing for them to do. So although the work is hard and boring, factory jobs are highly sought after. By contrast, in villages all over India, cotton cloth is still manufactured the way it has been for centuries, on hand-operated looms. Individual weavers are still passing this trade down from father to son. This weaver is making the plain white cotton cloth used to make dhotis, the traditional garment worn by men. The shuttle carries a bobbin full of cotton thread. This single strand is dragged through the long cross threads of the warp by the weaver's action as he pulls down on the rope. Traditionally, only men did the weaving. Women span and wound the yarn. This is the endless task of preparing the bobbins for the weaver's shuttle. In the latter part of last century, traditional weavers were being put out of work by competition from big industrial mills, both in England and India. These were able to produce cloth more cheaply than the village weavers, and they used raw cotton grown in India to do it.